Hey guys, welcome back. Johnny here. And today's video, I want to show you a cool program that you can get into and start investing into real estate for only $500. So it's called Fundrise, and we are on their main website right now. I am signed in. You could sign in. You could sign up for free temporarily until you want to put money into your account. And basically, I wanted to go over some of it with you for new investors. They have $1.4 billion of real estate with strong results. This is the results from their years past. 2014 at average of 12% annualized returns, 2015 12%, 2016 8%, and then 2017 11%. I'm not too sure what they are expecting for 2018, but I know it's going to be probably around that mark. Fundrise compared to public real estate, Vanguard and Vanguard Bund funds, it's up double what it is compared to that. Total real estate investments, approximately $1.4 billion to date, with 21% being in Los Angeles alone. And that is pretty cool. I believe you could even click on these and look at the different areas. You could also click on any of these and look at them. But what the press is saying, New York Times, Fundrise is a pioneer in real estate crowdfunding, allowing individuals to directly invest in hotels, apartment buildings, and other development projects. So they really like it. Some good stuff from Forbes, Wired. You could probably read faster than I can basically read aloud. I could read faster in my head. Anyways, so there's choose an investment plan to get you started. You could choose supplemental income, and it has high dividends, which gives you a constant income stream. Medium appreciation with about 2/3 total return. And then balanced investing, you could tell all three of them are really high. Because that's basically building wealth with high diversification. And then long-term growth, it's to pursue a superior overall return over the long term. So appreciation and total return is at 100%, and dividend is at about a half. And you can click on these, like say I click on supplemental income. Supplemental income itself will have its own category. You can get started for $500 by clicking this button here and go directly to the site. I don't have any affiliate links or ties to this at all. I just think it's really cool and thought you guys would like to know. You could look at all the different things just for this specific one, and all the different apartment buildings they have, equity over debt, popularity 27%, average investments is about $8,000 in just this particular one. And then you can go back and you could look at, let's say, the difference between, say, long-term. Long-term here is much higher. They have 68 plus assets, and their equity to debt is a lot better. I'm sure they probably started with this one first, so they're able to gain a higher appreciation with the returns, as well as more investors are invested into it. So they have 41% popularity. Investors by age, it's high in the 30 to 40 range, and then it has an average investment of around $10,000 in this portfolio. So definitely a really cool site. They offer a minimum of $500 to sign up, a 90-day satisfaction guarantee, so if you don't like it, you can take your money out. Most popular choices for new investors, free upgrade to advanced plans. If you ever need any help with anything and stuff like that, you can go to a few details. And then it says investments, invest now for a minimum of $500, and you could always upgrade later if you want. Basically says all the different units you can have in your portfolio. You could click on them and see that this is a preferred equity, multifamily, project phase stabilized, project projected return is 11%, so that's really good. If you put $1,000 in, or if you even put your $500, you'd be getting about $55 a year. If you put your $1,000, you'd be getting about $110 a year, which actually isn't bad, and you don't have to worry about renters or mortgages, or having to deal with maintenance issues or repairs. So this is a great company to get into if you want to get into real estate without the headaches. And just, it talks about all kinds of different things that you could keep reading on. What can I expect to return? Dividends are typically distributed in the middle of the month following the end of each quarter, mid-April for dividends earned during the first quarter, and so on. It says, can I redeem cash out my shares? Real estate is inherently a long-term illiquid investment. Fundrise is intended for investors who have a minimum time horizon of approximately 5 years. However, we have adopted a redemption plan whereby an investor may obtain liquidity monthly following a minimum 60-day waiting period. So basically what they're saying is it's not common for real estate to be such a liquid investment. Usually you'd buy a house and you'd keep your money into it for many, many years and get paid through rent. But this one basically is saying that they can pay you a monthly dividend, not monthly, but quarterly dividend. So that would be 4 times for the year. And that could be pretty substantial, and it's just saying that there is a 60-day waiting period to really just honestly get those. So what are the fees? Their fees are 0.18% for annual asset management fees, and then in addition, investors pay a 0.15% annual investment advisor fee. All in all, this is 1% annual pricing model, and that's 40% more cost effective than publicly available investments. So basically that's what they're saying, is it's only 1% and you're getting about 11%, so you can average say it's about 10%. If you want more information about this, you can definitely go to their website and check it out. But I definitely do want to get involved with Fundrise as soon as I can, because I do think it would be a great company to get involved with. And as well as, 2018, this could say 13 or 14%, and later on 2020, it could be even at 20%, maybe, who knows, but anything's possible. There's just a bunch of stuff that you could look at. There's resources, frequently asked questions, advanced investing 101, and if you click on investing 101, it just takes you to some more frequently asked questions, how to invest in real estate without buying property, REITs versus rentals, and stuff like that. So there's tons and tons of information on here. You also look at the frequently asked questions. How do I get started as an investor with Fundrise? Who can invest? Anyone over the age of 18? Can international investors invest? No, it's only for U.S. citizens. What types of accounts does Fundrise support? Right now they have personal investment accounts, joint accounts, certain group trusted limited liability companies, limited partnerships, C corporations, S corporations. Can you invest through your IRA? It says Fundrise has teamed up with Millennium Trust Company to allow you to invest with your IRA funds in a diversified commercial real estate investments. So that is something you can do too. The minimum for the starter portfolio is $500. The advanced portfolio is $1,000, and they don't ask for any monthly fees or anything like that to sign up. You can select the starter plan or one of the 3 advanced plans based on your own personal preferences. Based on the plan you choose, we then build a custom-tailored portfolio designed to produce the best results for you over time. So they give you suggestions and different things as you go on. Basically, your information is secured through an AES bit symmetric key, as well as encrypted over HTTPS So it's definitely very safe, and they do need your social security and date of birth, just so that you can report to the IRS, because this is an investment. You earn money, and basically you can fund it with any bank account. So it's really cool. You basically would be investing in a diverse mix of e-direct offerings, or e-RITs, and e-funds, which are portfolios of private real estate assets. So it's really great company to get involved with. You could always reinvest your dividends as well, or your quarterly payouts. So this is just something that I definitely would want to get into, and I believe that you guys should check it out for yourself. And so I'm gonna hop over here and go ahead and get started. It says invest now. You can click on it there. It talks about your starter portfolio here and the amount you want to contribute, and then you go to your agreement and you review and finish. So alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and you guys have a great day.